Do you know which Bharat Ratna played a key role in establishment of the Reserve Bank of India or the RBI? Do you know which Bharat Ratna was the first advocate from the backward classes? Do you know which Bharat Ratna was the first water satyagrahi of India? Well, all these questions will be answered in part 2 of my 3-part series of lesser known facts of a Bharat Ratna. But before starting this video, I would like to invite you to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Infotastic Ruth. So let's begin part 2 of this 3-part series of lesser known facts of a Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna I'm speaking on is B.R. Ambedkar or Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Well, for those people who have missed my first video, can go and check that video on my YouTube channel Infotastic Ruth. Well, Baba Sahib Ambedkar played a key role in establishing the Reserve Bank of India. The guidelines have been taken from his book, The Problem of Indian Rupee. Baba Sahib Ambedkar cut down the working hours of people in India from 14 to 8 hours. He was working in the Labour Council of the governor at that time, and due to that he cut down the working hours from 14 to 8 hours. Not only that, he suggested employee schemes, employee benefits, dearness allowances and many other schemes which benefited an employee or the labor class. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was the first advocate from the backward classes. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was the first water satyagrahi in India. He marched to a lake in Mahad district in Maharashtra, wherein he did a big satyagraha for the rights of drinking water. The lower classes were not given to drink water, and so this satyagrahi did his satyagraha to drink water. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was a strong supporter of women's rights. He believed that the measure of a society can be done by the welfare of a woman, or the measure of the welfare of a society depends on the welfare of a woman. That's what he did say. He fought for many benefits for the woman and equal status for the woman. Many amendments and laws also were passed due to this. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was a strong supporter for uniform civil code in India and always wanted the uniform civil code in India. Well, that was part 2 of my 3-part series of the lesser known facts of a Bharat Ratna. Well, I'll be making part 3 of this 3-part series. For that, you have to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Infotastic Ruth. Till then, thank you and then